Hey, so this time on Hitting the Road, we're actually hitting the runway. We have our passport and we're off to Mexico. Come along. We grabbed our good friends Sean and Juanita and we're off to paradise.
I don't know if I can do this. Get me on the next airplane, somewhere where the weather's warmer. Kahului to Lahaina. Promise that I won't forget you. Promise that I'll always find you. I can be your January rain. Take you away from all the pain. We can do anything that you can dream on an island so far, far away. January rain is falling. I can feel your cold embrace.
Thanks.
I don't know if I can do this. Get me on the next airplane, somewhere where the weather's warmer. Kahului to Lahaina. Promise that I won't forget you. Promise that I'll always find you.
Oh yeah,
I can be
wing
your
it.
January rain. Take you away from all the pain.
We made it.
Okay.
Let me show you around our little home in Hautulco, Mexico for the next 10 days. Come with me and we'll take a little tour. Let's start with the bedroom tour. We'll go up the stairs to the master suite, where we have a panoramic ocean view. Absolutely gorgeous. There's tons of storage in the master suite and a king-size bed. An ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower and dual sinks. Moving on downstairs, there is 2 additional bedrooms, both with king-size beds. This is the first of 2 identical bedrooms on the lower level, each with its own ensuite and king-size bed. Bathroom with walk-in shower. Our friends, Sean and Juanita, are staying in this suite. It's identical to the one across the hall from it. Here we have a water feature and a laundry area below. This walkway leads to our outdoor kitchen and pool area. Here's our outdoor airy kitchen, equipped with locking cupboards for our Mexican furry friends, who we're very familiar with now. We also have a lovely lounge area by the pool, hammock, seating area. We have a lounging area as well as a dining area. We have a barbecue, an upper seating area, perfect for watching the sunrise, and a bathroom in the pool area. With a shower. Thank you for joining us on today's tour. It's pool time.
The next morning, it was off to the grocery store for provisioning. Just a big old pile of chicken wings on ice. The grocery store was absolutely full service. You could watch a movie, grab a pizza, and buy a motorbike. Okay, just a little field trip off to the beach, Playa Arrecife from the resort. So let's see what this is all about.
From the resort, from our house.
Yeah, well, our resort.
Woo! Oh, it's rough.
Rough life. Gracias. Yeah, gracias. All right, so we just went to this beautiful little beach and we got some margaritas, and we are not sure, but we may have been shaken down.
We're not sure. We were sure.
We are sure.
Definitely got shaken down.
Upon exiting, we occupied a little patio table, a plastic table with plastic chairs, and
you
ordered
almost
some
fell out of.
margaritas that never came. So we were like, all right.
15 minutes.
So we're
at
taking
least.
off. We're taking off. And he's like, no, they're ready. And then he's like, all right, well, it's just, yeah. How many pesos per margarita?
150, which is reasonable.
150 pesos, and then a
300 pesos.
300 pesos for the
To
privilege
sit
of
at the
sitting
table.
at their table.
So $80 approximately
Yeah.
Canadian for a margarita.
So this is full day one of a 9-day trip. And
Yeah, shaken down.
yeah,
No, it still wouldn't. It would
But
probably
it's now a story.
and we're likely not to give them a lot of our dineros moving forward, unfortunately.
Which is unfortunate because it's so close. to
Yeah,
our
so close.
house.
Well, we weren't going to let that keep us down. We were back to the house to enjoy the rest of the day.
Good morning. We are off to the waterfalls.
What's up for waterfalls? Today's adventure is a waterfall tour up in the mountains. After exploring the waterfalls and some hiking and swimming, we went back to the little village and were treated to a family-style lunch. The next morning, we're down to the marina to meet with Captain Ulysses for a boat tour. What do you think we're going to see today? What's the over-under?
Dolphins, whales, rays.
Giant squid.
Giant squid? You think, Juanita?
A marlin.
Marlin?
Oh, wow. Are we doing some fishing?
And I think some manta rays.
Yeah, I said that.
Manta rays. Turtles.
And mermaids.
I want to see a sweet sea turtle.
The technique is up slow, up, and when you down real fast.
Oh, he's running! He's running!
Real, doesn't matter, real. Up slow, up the real slow, and when you down real fast.
Yeah,
Slow.
real fast when you drop it.
Oh, slow.
Oh, nice try.
Oh, yeah, no problem. No problemo.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Oh, good technique.
Yeah.
Learn, right?
Is it getting harder?
Nope, but he gets close to the boat and wants to run.
Oh, he's pretty.
Slow.
There he is, look. Oh, yeah! Oh, no.
Juanita was the only one lucky enough to land a fish in the boat.
So baby, Maggie.
Beautiful.
You gotta hold your fish.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Yeah, thank you.
So after a few hours of exploring some of the beaches and bays and doing some fishing and snorkeling, Captain Ulysses dropped us off at a little beach bar so we could have some lunch.
Oh, you come home with me.
Can't wait to see it on the foot.
You see, front. That's the baby.
Oh my goodness, look how close we are. Great.
Maybe we see your tail or no? Maybe see your tail, yes?
Yeah! Adios! Here you can see Peggy found a little ray that she was following down the beach. One of the popular tourist attractions is the face of the man in the rock. What are we doing?
Going snorkeling.
Good way to start the day. Go for a little early morning snorkel before the world wakes up. Not that early?
It's only 9 o'clock.
It's 7 a.m. our time.
Okay.
That counts for something. First real brunch of the trip.
Yeah, Maria restaurant on the beach.
Is it so savory?
It's so buttery and flaky.
Mhm.
Delicious.
Well, post snorkel margaritas. Oh,
Oh, I missed my mouth.
over the next couple of days, we just enjoyed ourselves exploring the small little towns around Hautulco.
Oh, very cool.
Well, it was an amazing vacation. Great friends, incredible people, and beautiful weather. Can't wait to come back. This is what sadness looks like.
Bad news. Matt says our relationship is done.
No, I said we have to go home.
Same thing.
Well, it was a long travel day home, and then we got right into planning our next adventure. So on this season of Hitting the Road, we have big plans, so hit that follow button and check it out. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the like button.